Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be unboxing the Oral B Vitality Electric Toothbrush. Let's have a look at the package it comes in. At the front you can see the brush and there's a 2-minute quadrant timer and it has a Euro plug. And on the side of the package it says it removes more plaque than a regular toothbrush, compatible with an Oral B brush heads for every oral care needed. It has 2-year limited warranty, and then it just shows what the brush looks like. And on the other side it says it's #1 used by dentists worldwide. It's you can brush 3 times a day, and it's risk-free. And then there's it says brush like dental professionals recommended, and then rechargeable toothbrush with a charging station. And yeah, let's go ahead and open the package. Oh yeah, on the bottom it just has these information. So at the top it just tells us it has like a barcode and stuff. Okay, let's go ahead and open the brush. Here's the charger. It's like a stand, and then you can just pull it out like that, and then open it up, and then it's a Euro plug. And if we look at the brush, it comes ready charged, and if you could hear this, it's pretty loud. Actually, it's not that loud. You can just brush your tooth. Pretend this is my tooth and brushing it. You should not put too much pressure on it. Should only be some light pressure. And then your tooth should be clean. And it's got a 2-minute timer. If I hold it on for 2 minutes, it'll go like that. Like do. Okay. And then you just slot it onto the plug like that. And then it's just like a charger, and then you put it into your port. And then yeah, so to brush, you can take the nozzle out, which looks like that. And you can also put it on with a click, and it goes like that. So it has a really good grip. So the box also comes with this really long instructional guide. If you have a look at it, it's like ginormous, and it folds out like that. And then it's like a map. It's so big I can't even show you on the screen. Oh, it's ginormous. Like it just folds up. And then if we read that it'd take 8. It's in other languages too. Let's just keep that to the side. And this is the brush. I'll tell you how to brush your teeth. So pretend this is my tooth, and then the top of it's my gum. You click the button, and then you start brushing. You brush between your teeth and your gums first. You hold it on the first tooth, and then you move on to your next tooth. And then after you've completed all that, you go to the main of the tooth. You brush that, and then you brush the bottom of the tooth, and then you go on to the other tooth, and the bottom. And the best thing about this is, with other toothbrushes, it's normally as the battery dies, the power slows down, but with this it's not. like that. So it goes pretty fast until the battery dies, and then it doesn't make that much noise. And then what you do to wash it is you take out this, rinse it under the tap, and then you do it nice. If you can clean it with your hand under the water, and then where you just leave it to dry, and then next time you use it, you can just slot it back on. And then overall, it has a really good grip, as I was saying, and the nozzle is like, it's really nice. I don't think it would hurt your teeth, because you can get many different types of nozzles if your nozzle gets broken or something, or it just wears out. Slot it on and brush your teeth. It goes really fast. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like the video. Be sure to smash that subscribe button, and be sure to hit the notification bell to know when our next videos come out. Thanks.